In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate struts on this Volkswagen Tiguan. This is going to be located in the rear hatch. Let's get into it. With the liftgate open, I'm just going to use a pole jack just to support it. You could just have an assistant hold it up for you. I'm just going to take the clip, use a pick, just get underneath there, pop that out. Pop that off, and then you're going to do the same in the bottom one. Pop the clip out, and it slides off. Take the new liftgate strut. We're going to put the bottom on first, lock it in place. Just get the top lined up, push that on, that locks in place. You could do the same on the other side. And you can remove the pole jack. Now close it up. Test it, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.